Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut a video using the InShot app. Whether you want to trim out unwanted parts or create a smooth transition, this video will walk you through the whole process. So let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app. Now open it. Tap onto the video option and select the video that you want to edit. Now that your video is in the timeline, tap onto the clip to select it. This will allow you to make edits to the clip. Now you can trim the video from this button like this. Now to split or cut the video, scroll down and here you can find the option of split. Tap on it and the video is now cut. And now you can edit the video however you want to edit it. And that's how you cut a video in InShot. It's super easy to trim and edit your videos to create exactly what you need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.